Hi, this is Trader Consultants again with Stephen Gibson. I want to spend a little time with you today discussing revisiting zones. As we've told you before, we are simple traders. We trade based on a proprietary indicator that tells us where to anticipate changes in direction of price. As we've told you before, the green rectangles represent places that we believe supply will change and therefore price will decline. The blue rectangles are drawn for us when the computer tells us that they think the price is ready to change in an upward direction. You're looking at a daily chart, and this is a longer, a more patient requiring transaction. But when we trade off the daily, we can get some wonderful results. What we want to talk to you today about is how price tends to revisit zone. As you notice, we're working at a time period January 6th through the current date of February 14th. And during this period of time, we had two successful trades. These trades below are exact trades from one of our client accounts. As you notice, we had a big success, 30,000. This account's worth about $500,000, so that was a nice trade for them. The others are relatively modest and the types of trades that we prefer. Very, what we consider low risk, take what the market will give us and go away. We had two when we were not paying attention, and that's true. We put in a stop loss that we never thought would be hit, and it was hit. We have learned the value of these stop losses. And while we point this out as loss of $10,000, you'll notice that the take profits more than offset those losses. We don't use a stop loss when we're trading in front of the machine, but we do leave a stop loss in the event that we leave. We found this to be safe. Now, back to our point. You'll notice that the zone, the blue zone, would indicate that we would anticipate price changing upwardly, and it did. That trade right there, that small line, is this trade right here, from 13047 to 13200. $30,000. So price did move up. Price did move up. We cut much too early, but price is coming down. Back up, and now price is coming into this zone again. If you'll notice, we have substantial buy orders here, represented by the green, because we believe that price will come back in and do what we call a revisit. This time, we will play very aggressively and move with anticipation here. And on the second revisit of the sell, we will play extremely aggressively because we would anticipate it moving down through this into this lower zone. And that's what we do.